Hello everyone, it's regarding the weight loss again. So today I'm going to talk about the basic thing that a lot of people don't know about calories. And what's the relationship between the calories and the weight, the mathematical relationship I'm going to talk about today. All right, let's start then. So everyone tells you that you have to be in calorie deficit in order to lose weight. If you are eating 2000 calories per day, now you have to eat only 1500 calories, 1400 calories, or your net calorie intake must be around 1200, 1100. Intensive diet should be 800, 900 calories intake per day. Now, let's suppose you stick with the medium intensity diet. In a week, we have 7 days, and 7 multiplied 2000 calories, how much? It is going to be 14,000 calories per week. And now you are cutting some calories out of that in 1 week. So how many calories did you cut? Maybe you cut around, you can say 3200 calories, 800 calories per on 4 days per week. Let's put it in a more simpler way. 700 calories per day, and you are doing the diet for 5 days, Monday to Friday, and then on weekend you lose the control and you eat 2000 calories. Now 700 multiplied 500 is equal to 3500 calories is less out of 14,000 calories now. You should have taken around 14,000 calories, but now you are intaking around 3500 less calories from 14,000. So how much is left? It is 10,500 calories. Now, how much weight can you expect to lose per week if you are doing this? Honestly, you are going to lose around 450 grams only, not even a half kilo by cutting 3,500 calories. Why I am saying this and how I can back this opinion or this argument? It's scientifically proven that in order to lose 1 kilogram of weight, you have to cut 7,700 calories. That is 7,700 calories altogether. Now, if you want to lose 1 kilo every week, it means you have to be in a calorie deficit of 7,700 calories. What does that mean? That is a very fast weight loss. You will be losing around 5 kilo in 1 month, 10 kilo in 2 months, 15 kilo in 3 months. And in 4 months, 20 kilo, that's an intense diet. So if you want to lose 1 kilo every week, it means you have to intake 7,700 calories less as compared to what you are intaking right now. So instead of 14,000 calories per week, you are going to intake around only 6,300 calories, and that will help you lose 1 kilo. Interesting, right? Okay, now it depends on you. If you want to lose half a kilo every week, that will be 2.5 kilos per month. It means you are going to half the 7,700. So that will be around, you can say, 3,850. So 3,850 calories less as compared to whatever you are taking normally. So this is the calculation. So whatever weight, whatever kgs you wanna put off from your body, multiply by 7,700 and then start the calorie count. And this is how it exactly works. If you don't agree with this, or you think you are something a little bit different and this principle doesn't apply on you, please leave a comment and we will try to figure it out that what exactly is going wrong, because I am a firm believer of this principle. All right. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you got a new piece of information from this video, or if you learned something practical or useful, please share it and give it a like as well, and please leave a comment. If you have any doubts, if you are suffering from any myths regarding health, please feel free to leave a comment. Or if you want me to speak on a certain topic regarding health, so that you are not understanding and you want me to present it in a very simple way that is more understandable way and a useful way, just leave a comment, a topic in the comment, and I will be more than happy to help you out by speaking on that topic. That's it for now. Have a great day. Bye bye.